How to use ThousandEyes review properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. ThousandEyes is a powerful network monitoring tool, but beginners often make costly mistakes when setting it up. Here's how to get it right. The first mistake is skipping the baseline setup. Most people get this wrong by immediately adding complex tests without defining network baselines. Establish normal performance benchmarks first to accurately detect anomalies. Second mistake, misconfiguring alerts. You won't believe how many users either receive too many alerts or miss critical issues. Customize thresholds and notification channels to ensure you're informed without being overwhelmed. Third mistake, ignoring multi-layer visibility. The surprising truth is that monitoring only one layer, like the application or network, does give a full picture. Use ThousandEyes to monitor DNS, BZP, and cloud services alongside your internal network. Fourth mistake, underutilizing historical data. Beginners often focus only on real-time monitoring. ThousandEyes historical reports help identify trends and recurring issues, which is crucial for long-term network optimization. Finally, not integrating with other tools is common. Connect ThousandEyes with Seam, Slack, or other IT management platforms to streamline incident response and collaboration. Using ThousandEyes properly means setting baselines, configuring smart alerts, monitoring multiple layers, leveraging historical data, and integrating with other tools. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and you'll gain full visibility and control over your network.